Good afternoon, everybody. Last time I posted a video, I was out in McGuanago showing you the Rainbow Springs Hotel area. Today I'm out in the Oconomowoc at another abandoned resort. This one's still standing. It's pretty eerie. I'm at the Olympia resort. And right behind me there, right there, is the abandoned ski hill as well. I believe the golf course is still open, but from what I heard, the hotel and ski hill are abandoned. So ironically, I parked out here at a Kmart out of all places. Decided just to walk back here and have a look-see. Quiet and eerie, to say the least. Building's still in good shape. So I'll just again flip the camera around and show you what it's like back here. It's hard to believe that I was here 2 years ago for a wedding. There's the ski hill up there. Here they're gonna tear this place down. The hotel right here, the resort. And as usual, it's quiet as hell back here. I parked by the Kmart, walked over. I didn't see any no I'm in the back parking lot of the hotel. Not a soul in sight. And right up there is the ski hill. I'll zoom in. You can see the area where the lifts went up to. Right there. Sorry that it's shaking. It's hard to believe. A few years ago I was at a wedding out here. There was actually a few weddings going on at once. I didn't see any no trespassing signs. There was no gates, no fences. Power's still on. I think that's the ski lodge right there. Oh, here comes the police. Guess it's time to go. Just filming a YouTube video. But there it is. Time to go.